Now with the Houston Rockets, Kevin Durant has played for 5 NBA franchises, but his latest Nike KD18 pays tribute to where it all started, the Seattle SuperSonics. Though the team relocated and rebranded as the Oklahoma City Thunder, the SuperSonics era holds a special place in Durant's heart. Drafted in 2007, he won Rookie of the Year with the team, a milestone Nike recently honored with this exclusive release. Durant's signature sneaker line often reflects personal chapters from his life, like the KD6 PB&J and KD18 Smart City, blending storytelling with performance. This KD18 features the SuperSonics' signature white, green, and gold colorway, along with nods to Durant's rookie trading card and ROTY award. Crafted as a collector's piece, only 18 pairs exist, with no public release planned, making it a rare tribute to the roots of one of basketball's most celebrated careers.